Hi, welcome to Cute Things. This will be another quick tutorial on how to make a 5x7 notebook cover with reverse applique. These are the supplies that we'll need to get started. Piece of applique fabric, 6x8 piece main fabric vinyl, 6x8 lining piece. I use Ollie Fun because it's thin and easy to use and it doesn't fray or anything, and it reduces a lot of bulk. And then I have 2 strips of 1.5 by 6 inches for my pockets and a little composition notebook that I picked up, I believe, at the Dollar Tree, and some fold over elastic. This is about 9 inches. So those are the supplies that we'll need to get started. So I went ahead and ran step 1 on the machine, and it's just a placement step for where you're going to lay your fabric at. So what you want to do is you want to take your fabric and just lay it over the line. Make sure it's covered up. And then the next step on the machine is an actual part of your design. So we're going to make a paw print. So go ahead and run step 2, and I'll show you what we'll do after that. Okay, so we went ahead and ran step 2, and it is a paw print. So now for the reverse applique process, you just go ahead and get your seam ripper or some really sharp scissors and cut. You want to cut around on the inside of what you see here. So for every piece, just cut out the center. And do that now, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out the insides of the paw print right there. Oh, I didn't do a very good job of cutting, but I'm just not good at that kind of cutting. Anyways, turn your hoop over, and that's the back side. Take your applique piece of fabric that you have. I just have a 3x3 piece, and take it and turn it face down, pretty side down, and secure it and put it back in the hoop and run step 3. So there it is, all stitched on and cut out. Super cute. I just trimmed around the edges a little bit, but that's all I'm going to do with that. Anyways, so let's finish our notebook. Put it back in the machine and run step 4, which is the little placement step for the little barn door box for the back, so we can put our fold over elastic in securely. The little barn door placement step is right here. Now we're going to go ahead and tape and secure our fold over elastic, and then stitch it on. Okay, now that is on there good and secure, I went ahead and took off the tape there. Get a little square piece about 1 by 2 inches and place over that area that you just did as a placement step and a secure step for the barn door. When you stitch it, just keep this out of the way because it's going to go around, make an X, and then that fold over elastic will go on good and tight. So I'm going to do that now. It is step 6 on the machine. Okay, so that's on there good and secure now. See the little barn doors, isn't it cute? So now you want to go ahead and turn your hoop over. We're working on the back side right now. You're going to go ahead and put your lining fabric down. I'm using Ollie Fun, as I said earlier, because it reduces bulk and it's a good product to use. It's real sturdy. Anyways, go ahead and lay that down, secure it with tape, and put back in your machine and run the next step. It's back in my hoop and ready to go with the other step of securing the lining on, but I just wanted the elastic, you might want to tape up like this and get it out of the way so it doesn't get caught around the edging. I've done that before. So if you don't want to unpick your stuff, go ahead and tape that, and then it'll be out of the way for this step and the next step. So it went ahead and secured the lining onto the front. Now go ahead and run the next step step 8, which is going to make us the seam for the spine. Okay, your spine is on, and now you can use that to kind of guide where you want your pockets. So I have my pockets. If you're using fabric that is directional, take care to pay attention to see if you're going in the right direction. I don't know if I am at this. Yep, okay. I had to check. My little doggies need to go this way. These little doggies are so cute, and I got them from Sweet Tea Stitches. She has some fun vinyl over there. Actually, she's my main source right now, because she's got such cute things, and it really holds up to the things that I do. Anyway, so line up your pockets, secure them, and run the last step in the machine, step 9. It's going to put it all together. We're almost done. So it is all done. We're just going to cut it out and put our notebook in there. So here we are. Our little reverse applique paw print notebook cover is all finished. Little notebook is in there. All kinds of cute right here. And then your little elastic piece will hold it all together. Let me see if I can show you that really quick. No, of course not in the right spot. There, okay. I'm in my little light box here, so you can see better. But there. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a great day or evening, whatever time of day you are at.